In this video, I will be showing you how to open multiple videos at the same time with the help of VLC media player. So the problem that I was facing is, let's say I open a video with VLC media player. So open with VLC media player. This particular video is playing fine over here. Now I want to play another video. So if I go here and play this, so the video that I played second will be overlapping over the old video. So only the latest video that I played appears, the other video tab just gets closed. So this is the issue that I was facing. So now to solve this, just open VLC media player. Alright, just click on the icon. We'll be getting something like this. Here to the top you will be having tools. Click it and preferences, and here in the preferences make sure that your settings is simple and we are having the interface selected. Here under playlist and instances, make sure that you are unchecking allow only one instance and also use only one instance when started from file manager. Make sure that these both are unchecked and click on save. That's it. Now I will close this. So first let me play this video. Open with VLC and let me pause it, or let me go to a particular timestamp. Now again I'll go back and we had this video. Open with VLC. So I will also go to a timestamp. So now here you can see, right, this is like one tab. If I minimize this, both these videos are opened and are playing simultaneously. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.